This is the thing about photography. You might just be riding down the street and you might just see a building or landscape or something that you think would be just a cool shot, and you want to just stop and get it. So I want to get that building right there. That is just a cool shot. You can always find motivation when it comes to photography. It's like the perfect lens for that. It's 50mm. I just was riding and I saw that building. Wanted to get a shot of it. That's cool. If I can get the corner with the skyline of that building. That is cool. That's what it's about right there. Just seeing these skylines, clouds, different things that you just feel like would be a great shot. You try to capture it. That was cool. So you always got to stay ready. Definitely got to stay ready. Have to catch this. We were on my 24mm. Just downtown St. Louis. Sometimes I don't even have to get out of the car. That's what having the right lens and all that stuff will do for you. Got a good enough lens, I can pretty much get any shot that I want. I want to include a little bit of the clouds in the background. Right near the arch. If I shoot through my windshield, I'll probably be able to see the crack on the picture. That's how clear the lens is. Swap this lens out. Probably put my 24mm back on. Just gonna see if I can catch a reflection shot, maybe of a car coming through the mirror. That's just the creative side. Nothing special about it, other than the fact just proving to yourself that you can capture it. I partially got it. It's not a clear shot. Let's see if I can get this next one. That was it. With the 24mm, I'm getting a wider view. So I'll be able to get a little more scenery in the background with that one. If I switch to my 50mm, I can probably get a tighter shot without having to go with the zoom lens to and lose some of the quality of the picture. It's a 50mm prime lens. This is one of the first prime lens, well actually the first prime lens that I bought. See, can I get a better? That was a good one. Got a couple of reflection shots on that one.